In this video, I'm going to show you how you can duplicate pages on Wix. So first you want to go into the Wix website editor, and once you're here, you then want to go ahead and head to your pages. So first, you need a page in mind that you want to duplicate. I'm going to go to the pages here on the left, click on pages and menu, and that will show you all of your pages. Now you can add a page and obviously duplicate that, or if you just want to duplicate an existing page, so let's say we want to duplicate, for some reason, the About page, we can click on the three dots next to the About page and then click duplicate. Now it's going to then ask you if you want to duplicate this page and keep its layout, or you can make a dynamic page. I'm just going to duplicate this page, and it's going to default to copy of About, which you can obviously rename if you want. We'll just keep it on a copy as About for this video. So now we've got the About page, which we can go to by clicking up here and going to the About, and then you've got copy of About, which you can go to by clicking up here. Obviously, they're going to be the same, so it's not going to be any different with the page, but let's say you can duplicate a page on Wix, and I hope that quick video helped you out.